Hi Roger, happy morning.
Yes, hello there. It's a good thing to speak with you today.
Same here, same here. I'm here for a particular reason. I happen to see a lot of course details on the digital platform. Can you help me with knowing what is this course all about and what are the benefits from doing this course and more particularly from Universal India?
Well, there's a few things I'd like to point out. Often, as a school, a lot of people are wondering what are the courses and why enroll in them. So the Professional Bookkeeper program is specifically designated as a course to help individuals learn the day-to-day applications of accounting in business. And so for accounting professionals, this is an excellent course to take because it's covering everything from the chart of accounts through to creating the financial reports for the business owner.
Okay, what benefits I get if I do it from Universal Accounting International, and I heard there is a presence in India also.
Correct. So what happens is when you get the training and pass with a 70% or better, you receive a certificate of completion. It's showing that you actually passed and understood the information and are competent in that skill set. But the more important thing is passing the final exam with a 90% to receive or earn the Professional Bookkeeper designation. This is a designation you can carry after your name, much like a certified public accountant, like chartered accountant. That PB designation is meant to say that you've been tested and certified as having that skill set of being proficient in the day-to-day applications of accounting in small business.
Oh, that sounds great. So what are the admission requirements if I wish to get into this course?
So as a requirement, we do ask that everyone has completed their post-secondary schooling. And so if they've received their diploma, they're usually in a great position to do this. That being said, most of the students that enroll in the training actually happen to have their college degrees already. So we find that many individuals after completing the college course are wanting to emphasize or specialize in small business accounting and will choose to then go through the Professional Bookkeeper program. But personally, I will say about a third of our students happen to be individuals that are interested in accounting, that want to look at this as a career path, and they choose to do this because it's obviously very focused, and more importantly, it's a lot quicker to accomplish than going the college route. So some people choose to do this first and then the college.
So this is a complete e-learning.
It is completely e-learning. So the instruction is given via online with video instruction, manuals, tests, assignments, quizzes, and then the final exam.
Oh, in that case, students should be a computer expert to go through this course?
No, not whatsoever. All you're having to do is have a login, which is in essence your username and password. With that, you're able to access the what's called a learning management system, and in that interface, you're able to go through the entire training. It's a very simple process, only because we've taken into account the learning experience, and we've tried to create one that's very comfortable and easy for you to follow on the computer.
So what's the duration of the course?
Most people complete the training in about 4 weeks. It's designed to be done in 4 weeks. Now, I typically, when I speak to people, suggest that they plan on doing it in 4 to 6 weeks. The easiest recommendation I have is dedicate 1 to 2 hours a day, 4 days a week to go through the program. So most will do the training Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then they'll take off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You do that 4 weeks in a row, you'll be finished. Other individuals, they say the work week is a little difficult. It's hard, busy with life and school and work. So they'll tend to focus on the training during the weekends, and doing that's perfectly fine. They will typically do an hour or two in the morning Saturday, an hour or two in the evening Saturday, again Sunday, an hour or two in the morning and evenings. You do those 4 sessions, you can take off the rest of the week, and by doing so, be finished in about 4 to 6 weeks.
So timing is not particular. Should I be online at a specific time, or it is at my convenience? I can go through the.
It's at your convenience. Because it's an independent study program, you can do the program as you want, when you want, and more importantly, how you want. Some people enjoy just sitting down and going through a session at a time. Others will spend 2-3 hours in a sitting. The beauty of it is you're able to do it at your pace. Some people choose to rewatch the videos, reread the chapters to learn the curriculum. Others, if you're a certified public accountant, a chartered accountant, you'll find that this is something that comes a lot quicker and easier because you've had so much of the formal training already. So if you've got your degree in accounting, you may go through this in, say, 2 weeks. If you're new to accounting and really haven't had that formal training, you may find yourself spending 4 to 6 weeks. And so it just depends on your comfort and familiarity with accounting going in.
Oh, that sounds great. So how many students so far Universal Accounting International has trained in this program, just for information?
Well, excellent question. So Universal Accounting, the principal company, we've been around since 1979. So we're over 40 years, and we've been training individuals in the United States to begin with, but we have a number of students that are in Canada, Europe, India, Australia, Africa. And as these students go through the training, they're each doing it basically on that online platform as I described. So the numbers vary, but it's hundreds and thousands over the course of years.
Nice to know that. So can I know somebody from India who has done this program, if it is not confidential?
Well, first of all, because of the school having students, we have laws that prohibit us from sharing the students' contact information. And so I'm unable to actually share other individuals' information, which I'm sure you can understand and respect. It's not like you want me giving out your name and phone number.
I
But
understand.
we do have testimonials and feedback that others have given of the course that you can look at and read.
Oh, okay, that's great.
That's
Sorry, I'm coming.
prohibit us.
Okay. Sorry, I'm asking you too many questions, but the last questions to go. In case if I see or when I'm watching the video, if I get some doubts or anything, whom to approach, how to contact the faculty? Is there any way we can interact with the faculty?
Good question. So every student, when they enroll, are assigned 3 people. Well, 2 specifically. One is an orientation counselor. So as you get started, if you have questions regarding the learning management system, doing the program, taking the tests, there is an orientation counselor that's available to assist you, and it's someone that you've been assigned. So you can talk to the same person again and again and again. The second happens to be an academic coach, and the academic coach is essentially your tutor. As you're going through the training, any questions that you have, they're there to help answer those questions and help you along the way. Most people choose to communicate with them via email, and via email, the correspondence is generally within, say, an hour or 2 that they get back with you. Our rule is within 24 hours. So if you email us at the end of the business day, we'll be back in touch with you the first of the following business day. So it's sometimes a lot quicker than you would expect, but oftentimes it's within the next 24 hours.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Thank you so much, Roger. It gives me so much clarity about the program. So when can I meet you in India? I welcome you to India.
I am looking forward to coming. Yes, as president of Universal Accounting Center, I do travel quite often. I do travel to many places, and I look forward to coming there and meeting everyone involved. So this is something that I look forward to. It's on my bucket list of things to do.
Sure, sure. We'll catch up soon then. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And always remember, if it's about accounting, it is universal. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you so much.